Charkha or spinning wheel is the symbol of truth and non-violence. It was the tool for India's freedom struggle. Malati Devi created a new foundation using the thread of spinning wheel. Till this day, spinning wheel exists in Bajirao Chhatravas. Bajirao Chhatravas, popularly known as Malati Ashram, is situated on the outskirts of Angul town. In this century, Malati Devi and Nabakrushna Chaudhary are very well known as Numa and Bapi. Bajirao Chhatravas, a place to shape the life of children, was born on 11th May 1946 by this unique couple. Numa and Bapi were imprisoned in the Quit India movement of 1942. In the prison, endless thoughts used to come to Numa's mind. She used to think about the freedom fighters who were imprisoned for life, their children, and other children of the neglected people in the society. What should be done for them? In Ward number 12 of Cuttack prison, Numa used to have noble thoughts and dreams. Bajirao Chhatravas is the manifestation of the same. Bajirao Chhatravas not only shapes children's lives, it plays a significant role in accelerating the social and cultural evolution in Odisha. Bajirao Chhatravas is an institution with a wide range of educational activities. It is unique in service and extraordinary in fighting for the rights. The campus, which reminds one of Shantiniketan and Satyabadi Banavidyalaya, also resembles Gandhiji's Sevagram Ashram. The beauty of the red painted walls with the artwork on them makes your mind dance with joy. The mind travels far away to picturesque tribal villages. When you climb the steep of the thatched hut, it fills your mind with sweet fragrance. The trees speak so many things and the flowers smile. As if whole place is filled with new thoughts, new inspirations and new messages. When you enter the ashram, you feel as if Numa is talking to you and Bapi is listening with occasional nods. Though they are not there, there are several Bajis to continue the revolution and fight for a cause. The prayer is inter-religious with hymns and songs. Gandhiji's favorite bhajans and those from ashram Bhajanabali. The inmates are close to each other. They reside with flowing of love and affection. The speciality of the Chhatravas is to keep its campus and environment neat and clean. It has its own timetable of working together, studying together, and having community lunch and dinner. Bajirao Chhatravas follows the ideals of Kavi Guru Ravindranath Tagore and Gandhiji. Gandhiji's Nai Talim are the principles and methods of basic education. So, one can see the imprint of Shantiniketan and Sevagram in Bajirao Chhatravas. Now, the Bajirao Chhatravas Balabhadra Vidya Mandir is its own campus school. Though it follows the prevalent education system of Odisha, it has kept alive its tradition. Education should not exist in the classrooms only. They learn to do gardening, spinning, and many other crafts by their own hands. These are the activities of Bajirao Chhatravas. They learn to respect all types of manual work and labor. They do not hate soiling their hands as our elite communities do in our society. It is most important and significant to build an egalitarian society in the world. Exchange of thoughts and opinions take place in post-prayer meetings of Chhatravas. Such discussions and reading of good books take place in Shanti Mandir, which vibrate with the chanting hymns of all religions. Bhajans and dhuns blend together. The children study in their given places. They study up to 8:30 in the evening. After the community dinner, they go to bed with hearts within and God over it. The tradition and cultural heritage of Bajirao Chhatravas is quite impressive. The creative abilities of the inmates are manifested. When you see them singing, dancing, and enacting a play, they have created a taste of their own. The cultural programs are organized on different occasions with relevant themes and new ideas. When most of the dreams are shattered, Bajirao Chhatravas has filled the minds of men and women with brilliant ideas to be survived. The community stands in reverence to society in general and Numo and Bapi in particular. In their dictionary, defeatism has no place. Progress is their hallmark. In Bajirao Chhatravas, everyone's mind is without fear and head is held high. In the words of Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore, "Oh, myself, rise in this holy land Bharat, whose shores belong to the great humanity and where there are Aryas, Anaryas, Hindus, Muslims, Englishmen, Christians, Sikhs, Sakas, Hunas, and Brahmins to jointly worship Mother India. This is the concept of unity in diversity.